Okay, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and save my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath?
Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jeffy, breathe! You can breathe, Jeffy! Oh, no.
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
Oh. That can't happen. Jeffy, come on. CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jeffy.
Thanks, Daddy.
What? Your hiccups aren't gone, Jeffy. Okay, I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't say them. They're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy. Sarah, stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom. Yeah, no, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boom! Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically boom! All right, it's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom! Back on that!
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon.
What?
Sharon, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boo! Yeah. Did that work? All right, on to stage 4. All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Oh, a crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my goggles. Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Yeah.
Well, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
Oh, no.
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb, and Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one.
They're all black.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire.
But then I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose the wire, Jeffy.
Oh, yeah, okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that one.
taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. All right, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister Man.
What, the Twister, Matt?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left-hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. All right, how much I owe you?
$7.72.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Boom! All right. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly.
I know, Daddy, but it was really scary. It tried to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups?
I don't think so.
What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh, no. No, please don't tell me.
All right, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!